Hello everyone and welcome back to our OSINT series. So in currently OSINT series, specifically we are looking at Geo-OSINT, which is geospatial intelligence, in which we can find location from a little bit of clues or just the images. Okay, so let us start with the practical scenarios over here. In the previous videos, we have discussed theoretically about it and have discussed about the tools which can be we are going with the Geo-OSINT part 3, in which we would be looking at some specific tools, okay, and the methodology, how you can utilize just a normal image also, leading to the exact location specific where it might have been taken. Okay, so starting with this, here I am on my screen, and I have some images for you guys. Okay, so this is how the images are. We would be looking at all these images. So there are multiple ways and techniques, okay, by which we can find about this particular image. So this is like the sun morning. Okay, this is a very this is clear picture on this side, okay, onto the left and the right, but the far things, okay, the far distanced things we cannot see clearly. But the things like we can look at these things, the trees over here, the particular area where it might have been, and the sun. Okay, you can also look at the timings at which time you can also assume at what time the picture might have taken. It might be in the morning, so how this place looks into the morning, it the particular road, how the particular place looks like when we have where the vegetation of the particular plants and the areas look alike. So let's start with this. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so okay, so we have this particular image that we are looking at, and let's start with any. This is my WSL Kali, so we might need particular thing, okay, like WSL Kali or any tool to read the EXIF tool data. So I am currently headed to my the folder where we have this particular directory where we have the list of images. Okay, so let's start with the image number one. Okay, so our image is equals to 1 dot png or whatever the output is. So let's list over here, we have 1 dot png. So what we are going to do, there is a normal and basic tool that we can try, is a exif tool. Okay, and we are looking at the 1 dot png. So we will try with the verbose mode. If you want to learn deeper about anything, any tool, you can go with the manuals. Okay, manual exif tool. Okay, so this is how you can read more about it, but currently we do not need. So let's have a look at the verbose mode. Okay, so the current version is given file name, file size, modified date. You can see the modified date and the time also. If you don't want to look at the verbose mode, okay, this is the normal mode. So you can see the normal date and timing, and if it might have been, so yeah, the file has been changed. Okay, after the 2 hours. So this is how the unverbosed format. You can see the about of this particular image. So I what would I do? I would go to any particular browser. I am using the in Google browser. So I would tell the Google mode. Okay, we have the AI mode. We can use AI. Okay, nowadays AI is increasing, so it might get more. So I want you to know about this location, this UUID, and get me as much as information you can. Okay, so this is how you can start with the AI. There is another thing, you can go to google.com. Okay, I know we are already in Google, but there is a lens feature. Okay, search by image feature. So what am I going to do? I would upload a file. I would select, I would go to downloads and the earth. Okay, so you can see the 1.png, and if I open this, okay, it might be it will start to search for the particular uh, image all over the internet. The image, so you can see the image appears to be the game of GeoGuessr, the landscape and road. It is like rural. So if we might have the specific India or Southeast Asia or Mizoram in India. Okay, so this is how you can look for it. So similar Instagram links we are also getting. Okay, so you can also move to the Reddit also, because sometimes Reddit also gets the information for this also. So we have this ID. Okay, so it is widely known legacy placeholder XMP data of image file by early Microsoft pages. Okay, so we do not have much information regarding this. Okay, but generation timestamp is this. Okay, so it is really old or something like that. The node ID, we have the MAC address. Okay, so you can find multiple things. We can say removed by moderator, found it, but this is something else. We are not going to it. There are multiple links. Okay, so what you can do? You can move with multiple things. So now we did not get. So there are things like Geo Guesser. Okay, this is utility where you can find images like this easily. Okay, or you can try, as I said, you can do Google search. We currently have the Mizoram, India. Okay, so this is particularly how you started to find. But if you do not want to use AI, okay, let's suppose you do not want to use AI. Okay, so what basically you are going to do? You will be looking at the pixel units, the numbers, the gamma, and the all. Okay, this will start to help you learn deeper about geospatial intelligence. Let me tell you about more. Reverse image search. Okay, so you can also use multiple tools. I would suggest you to use the Google images for reverse image search, and try to replicate, try not to use much AI for this because it might duplicate multiple datas. We have the unlock premium, but we will try to use the free one. Okay, so let's browse. This is specifically for face search, but let's try out. Yeah, yeah, so Google images and search by image. So what am I going to do? I would again search by image option. We have used this, I know, but here upload the file and one.png. But there are multiple techniques how you can uh, look at this. So this is the website is not working here, and the tiny eye is not working properly. Okay, so this is how you basically can find information about any particular images. Okay. Okay, so we have this the location game for GeoGuessr. Okay, so currently we are you can log in over here with this. Okay, but currently we do not need to log in. But this is a really good thing if you want to learn about it. So it is taking tiny eye, but there are much more because you can use the narrow asphalt road, see lush green foliage, sunny lightning daytime in rural or forested area. So this is the similar images we can see. Okay, so this is like Mizoram or India. Okay, so this is how you can find the particular country we are looking for is India. The image. Okay, so we can see. You can also ask AI to look for the specific trees, specific regions where the trees are found. Okay, so this is how you can search your specific images, search for this kind of things that will really help you understand deeper about it. So yeah, you can see now this is like Southeast Asia, more specifically in Cambodia or Laos. So the Laos, but currently these are the atmospheric conditions. Okay, so we can see temples, but these places are directly not related with this because we cannot see a papaya tree into over here. Well, this is the sun time, and this kind of trucks are being used specifically in Southeast Asia, like India. So the main answer is Mizoram, India. So this is how you are doing. You are beginning with the image forensics analysis and Geo-OSINT. Okay, so thank you guys for having me. See you soon.